pogo stick, a blanket, blueberries, or the mystery mouse-katool?
Can you eat a pogo stick?
That's silly.
I once ate a hubcap. Tasty.
Ah, Goofy. What can we feed baby Redbird? Blueberries, right. We got ears. Say cheers.
Cheers!
A pogo stick, a blanket, or the mystery mouse-katool? What will keep baby Redbird warm? A blanket, right. We got ears. Say cheers.
Cheers!
A pogo stick and the mystery mouse-katool.
Definitely the pogo stick.
Are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure. Look. Ouch.
I don't think a pogo stick works here.
Me neither.
Ooh, that means it's time for the mystery mouse-katool. Everybody say, mystery mouse-katool.
Mystery mouse-katool.
What's today's mystery mouse-katool? A slide, right. We got ears. Say cheers.
Cheers!
Can we use the pogo stick to jump up to Mommy Redbird? You betcha! We've used all our mouse-katools. Say super cheers!